Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel. My name is Courtney, and I love decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. And if you enjoyed today's video, I want you to give me a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, if you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family, then honey, what are you waiting for? You better click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Here we are in front of the Welcome to the Villages sign, Florida's friendliest hometown and my new home. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and you return as a family member.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little shopping, visiting some of my favorite stores because I'm on the lookout for a few items. I want some fresh spring florals, which I'm hoping to find on sale, some lamps for my living room, vases, and a couple of other accessories. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy browsing the stores with me. And be sure to watch all the way till the end where I share what I've hauled today. I don't know why I didn't bring my glasses. I can't see a doggone thing. Maybe you can make out what it says on this price tag. But anyway, moving on. The lamps at Kirkland's were not in my particular style, but they had some beautiful florals, just a little on the pricey side. So I didn't get anything at Kirkland's today. Kirkland's had a great selection of lanterns and hurricane vases, but they were a little bit pricey. Luckily, I found something similar at the thrift store, and you'll see that a little bit later. Now, let's go into Joann's. And to my surprise, honey, they had the spring sale, which ended today. 5 pieces for $10. Yes, honey, those florals were $2 each. So I racked up on the florals that I needed. All right, let me share with you this fabulous haul that I picked up. So first of all, from Joann's, and you saw the footage, these beautiful, beautiful florals were $2 a piece, and I spent exactly $21.40 with tax. Subtotal was $20 because everything was $2 a piece. So I got 6 of the orchids, and aren't those gorgeous? Look at those. And I'm going to show you these later in a vase that I picked up at the thrift store. And then I got these beautiful bunches. These are dogwood bushes, and look how full. I got them for $2, honey. Yes, $2. Okay. So that's all I got from Joann's are the florals. Next, I got 2 cans of silver spray paint from Walmart. This is my thrift haul. Now, you remember the hurricane vases that I showed you? You make that out $12.99 each. The ones at Kirkland's were $49.99 each. So I got an incredible savings on that. The next item that I got are these beautiful, are you seeing this? Are you seeing the leaf pattern here? And these are beautiful kitchen canisters, or at least that's what I saw them as, and that's what I'm going to use them for. I'm going to paint them silver, the base and the top. I'm going to paint silver and leave the clear glass, and I'm going to display these in my kitchen. and they're a set of 3. The smaller one was $7.99, and then $7.99 again, and the larger of the 3 was $5.99. And don't really explain that to me. I'm not really sure why, but that's the way they were priced. At TJ Maxx, I spent a total of $54. And I got 2 beautiful shelvings. And again, this one I'm going to paint silver. I do love that beautiful floral design at the top. And they're a 2-tier shelf. And I'm going to put these in my bathroom. Okay, the next one I got, and this one was on clearance, probably because the box was ripped apart, I got for $16. So, yay me, okay? But I did find the bag of hardware and the instruction manual, so hopefully these will be okay. And these are wooden floating shelves, set of 2. For $16. These are $40 for the 24-inch shelf on Amazon, and I got them for $16. Don't you love that? Don't you love a good sale, honey? I live for a good sale. Yes. And the last thing that I picked up at TJ Maxx are these set of 4 Rachel Zoe, and it's the square shape stemware for indoor or outdoor use. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Last portion of my haul, I picked up these items at Home Goods. Nicole Miller dinnerware in a hot pink. Isn't that hot pink gorgeous, honey? I fell in love with that hot pink summer dinnerware, honey. And it is a set of 4. And I paid, you can make that out, $9.99, okay? To go with that, I got this acrylic outdoor beverage set, and this is an indoor-outdoor set of 4 for $12.99. So I couldn't beat that, and it goes so beautifully with the pink plates. So that's gonna make a very pretty summer tablescape. Next, I got these, and these are a set of 4 small drinking glasses, and I got them because it was the Pride colors, and they'll look pretty on my Pride tablescape this year, and the set was $12.99 as well. Last item, gorgeous, huge ginger jar. It has the gold accent, which you know I prefer silver, but, and super heavy. And it has this, I'm not sure whether it's a dog or a lion or what that is, but you know what? I really don't care one way or the other. It's going to get painted silver, and this is a gorgeous, super heavy ginger jar that I fell in love with. And you're not going to believe this. Hold on. For the incredible clearance price, honey, of $59, down from $80. And this was a fabulous, fabulous find. So that is it. Everything that I hauled today. And I think I got some fantastic bargains for $2 each. Honey, I did all right for myself today. So here's the long shot of everything that I hauled today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will show you how I'm going to style all of these beautiful items in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.